Hi guys, this is your boy Martin, and today it's a continuation video to the one that I have made about the mirrors, different mirrors you can get on MartinTheVlogger.com. So big eye mirrors, sporty mirrors, or Lamonster do call them, Billet Perch, whatever, and phantom mirrors. And we will install them today on the SPyder and also on the Ryker, and you will see like basically what are the differences in setup and what you will need and how difficult it is. Guys, I'm building these installation videos and manual videos. You can find many of them on MartinTheVlogger.com. There is a section like installation and manuals. So I have something like 200 items on the shop, and I will be going through all of it through the winter, and most of them will have this kind of videos. So in case you like what I do, subscribe, hit the like, hit the notification so you are always informed when I'm publishing a new video. Now, enough of this. Let's get started. So for the installation, what we will need and with which models this setup will work. This will work with all F3, so F3, F3S, F3T, and F3 Limited, and also all RT 2020 Plus. It will work on all Rykers. Doesn't matter, even the new Sport, new Ryker 2022 models, everything. Now, what you basically do need, because you need to mount them somehow on the bikes, so it's the same thing. That like the logic is absolutely the same. You need something like this, how do you call it, like cuff. You know, you have the standard one on a SPyder like this. So you have it right over here. I already pre-installed this one because I was taking pictures on my shop. And we will be mounting the mirrors into here. It's covered now with a pin, plastic pin, but it will go there. And what I like actually about this top cuff is that it has drill mounts, like for screws, and you can put there a ball mount or ram mounts and GoPro mounts, and you can buy drink holders, phone holders, whatever, also available on MartinTheVlogger.com. Of course, you can buy it separately, and you have to just remove it and change the stock one, 2 bolts. I will be not doing this installation, but because it's an installation video, I will show it to you how to do it on the Ryker. So as for the Ryker, one thing, when you're mounting this cuff, just make sure you have it on the correct side. You know, for my defense, this way I can mount the GoPro camera here, but it most probably should be here, so you have, you know, additional place for additional mounts. You know, same with this as with the SPyder cuff. Now when we have those holders ready, it's all about installation of the mirrors actually, and it's quite like these ones, the sporty mirrors, Billet Perch, they're the easiest ones because they are actually coming like this. So all you need to do is you just need to screw them on the holder, and you can, you know, tie them with this middle part, whatever it is. Now as for the phantom mirrors, they're coming with like a lot of screws, and actually you don't need it. I mean, you might need it in case you will be using a different setup, but it's not our case. So all you will need is you need to search in the box for these black bolts, and one side is going on the mirror, the other side is going actually, yeah, surprise surprise, on the bike, on the holder. As for the big eye mirrors, because they're big, they are receiving some additional like spacer, or, you know, so you can position them better on your bike, and they're coming with a shorter and longer bolt, and I'll show you like how to mount them. Now this is the thing why I'm doing this installation series, you know, installation videos, because big eye mirrors, so these big mirrors, they do not have installation manual, and you know, we all try to sell for big money, and we are lazy to make manuals. Anyway, so the thing is, you have these adjuster, I would call it, or you know, whatever you need to put on this what it is, like clamp. And one side of the adjuster is like bigger. It says 2, whatever says 2, and you have these bolts. One is shorter, one is longer, and the longer one you definitely need for your mirror. So I will put it where there is no number. And actually this one, I really believe it needs to go here, just because it's a little bit higher, and because you can actually hide your screw. So that makes complete sense, you know. So let's do it this way. This one will touch the mirror, or screw the mirror on. This one we will screw on this part. Number 2 we'll put on the bar clamp. Also, what I'm trying to do is to have, you know, the shape is going this direction. Just taking the wild guess, you know. So once I have all mounted it, it's quite a logical, like how it should be done. And really, like, you have this kind of, you can hide his bolt right over here, and other part, you know the mirror part doesn't have those pre-drilled, you know, rails or whatever it is for screws. So you need to insert or mount the screw from the mirror side down there, and it all makes sense, you know. They're just beautiful. They are big, but they're beautiful. Guys, in case you would like to find out a little bit more like how the different mirrors look on the Ryker, on the SPyder, just check the other video. Visit MartinTheVlogger.com, the largest vlog about Can Am on-road vehicles like SPyders and Rykers, and visit MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, the largest European shop for Can Am SPyder and Ryker aftermarket parts, and the only place where you can get some cool items from MTV manufacturing. So for my company, you cannot get them anywhere else. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and always have fun.